back to my channel. I just went grocery shopping and I wanted to share with you guys what I got. It's just a mini grocery haul. All of this is from Walmart. I am doing Weight Watchers if you are new here, and I switched over to the green plan this week, so we will see how that goes. I am doing a vlog this week to kind of go over like what I'm eating and all that fun stuff. So let me flip the camera around and show you what we will be eating this week. So I got all of this. I spent $80 and it is my lunch for the week and my dinner for the week. So let's start over here. So I got some bananas. I love bananas. I like to eat these in the morning at work, or you know, like on my way to work. These Monster energy drinks, they're not good for you obviously, but I really like them. I like the white and the orange. I wouldn't recommend those, but I really like them. 0 points. I got Sprite Zero. This is mine. I got Jason some Mountain. And then I got, for my lunches this week, I will be having this. This is the cheesy ranch chicken. I have not tried this one, but I've seen a lot of people try these. So there's 6 servings in here, so I'm going to break it up and eat it for lunch for work. For dinner tonight, it is Sunday, so we're gonna be having tacos, and then I always get the low sodium. Well, this is 40% less sodium, if you will, and then just lettuce. I have cheese already, and then for that I got some queso. This is only 2 points for a serving, which is 2 tablespoons. And then we're gonna have beef with that. I got a white onion, some stovetop. Jason loves stovetop. I eat it, but at the same time I don't. Like, I'd rather have potatoes or something, but I do make it for him. Peas, corn, and green beans. Some cream of mushroom. I always get 98% fat free. All of this stuff is so sticky. It's so gross. I don't know what happened with their cans, but ish. And then I've seen a lot of people trying this out, the Chipotle sauce from Taco Bell, and I love this stuff. So you can have 2 tablespoons for 110 calories. I don't know the points, so I might be having that tonight, just a little bit on my tacos. We're gonna have sloppy joes this week, so I got some manwich. And with that, I love this. This brand is called Village Hearth. It's the Italian one, the light Italian. The wheat ones are okay, but you can have 1 bun for 2 points. So super point friendly, absolutely delicious. And then one night we're gonna have roast. This is the Tyson slow cooker kit. Throw it in the crock pot. Takes like 6 to 8 hours on low, and I think 4 to 6 on high. So I always cook it on high. And then I got 3 of these extra lean. What are you doing? My cat was in the cupboard. Extra lean ground beef. These are obviously from Walmart. I haven't seen them anywhere else, but I got 3 of them for the sloppy joe tacos tonight. Then we're gonna have tater tot hot dish with the other one, and that is what the cream of mushroom soup is for. I already had tater tots from having it before, and I only use like a serving's worth of tater tots, so I don't like fill the pan. you'll probably see that in one of my vlogs this week. But yeah, so that is everything. Oh yeah, I also got, I forgot to show these. So I got these Baby Bell. I tried to find Laughing Cow, but I didn't see it anywhere at Walmart. And I don't know, like I looked by the cottage cheese everywhere, so I don't know. And I found these, but so I got 5 of those. I don't know how many points. I'll have to look. Maybe I'll throw it on the screen if I figure it out. And then I got some cottage cheese just because it's good to have. And then these. I found these. They're good thins. I got the sea salt, and then I got veggie blend. And I think you can have 41. Oh, these ones are 28. So you can have 41 of these, I believe, for 3 points. So very good. I don't know. I didn't realize that these ones were less, but whatever. I don't mind. That's fine. That's still a lot. 41 chips or whatever for 3 points is so much. So that was a short one. I love grocery hauls. I love watching grocery hauls. So I always like to share with you guys my groceries and kind of what I plan on eating for the week. So yeah, my meal prep my meal prep this week isn't a meal prep, it's just frozen. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I've been bad with like, not with lunch per se, but with dinner. So I want something more filling, and I feel like this pasta dish would be more filling than just chicken and veggies or whatever I've been having. So
that was the 441.
that was the 411 on that purchase. And then I plan on having a Baby Bell and some Good Thins with the pasta for lunch, and then a Sprite or a Monster drink or something. But that's it. So yeah, if you guys like my grocery hauls, let me know. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below. I will definitely do more. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I would love to have you stick around. And on that note, I will see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching.